In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contributors on GitHub. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite someone to a repository and make sure they have the right level of access to help you ship great code. First, open GitHub and head to your dashboard. From there, pick the repository you want to share. Make sure you have admin permissions on that repo. Only admins and owners can add collaborators. If you manage many projects, the quick search at the top can help you jump straight to the correct repository. Once you are on the repository's main page, look along the top for the Settings tab and open it. This tab controls everything about your project, from branches to security, so it's the right place to manage access. In the left sidebar of Settings, find the Access section. This may be labeled Collaborators or Manage Access depending on your view. Open that page to see who currently has access and to invite new people. Next, click the Add People button. This opens a dialog where you can search for the person you want to invite. You can type a GitHub username, a full name, or an email address. Take a second to confirm you're selecting the correct account. For common names, look at the avatar and username to avoid inviting the wrong person. If your organization requires two-factor authentication, the person will need it enabled before they can be added. When the match appears, select it. If GitHub shows a role or permission selector, choose the minimum access they need, such as read, triage, write, maintain, or admin. You can always adjust this later, but starting with least privilege is a good security practice. Finally, click Add to Repository. GitHub will send an invitation that the person must accept before they gain access. You'll see the invite listed as pending. If they don't receive the email, they can check their GitHub notifications, or you can copy the invite link from the same page and share it securely. You can also revoke a pending invite at any time if you made a mistake. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you're working in an organization, consider adding people to a team and granting the team access to the repo. This makes permission management easier at scale. For private repositories, keep an eye on who has write access and consider enabling branch protection rules to require reviews before merging. That's it. Select the repo, open Settings, go to Collaborators, add people, pick the right account and role, and send the invite. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.